Returning to the Coin Series channel brings us joy. Select your opinion. XRP's consensus algorithm, known as the XRP ledger, significantly contributes to its speed and scalability compared to other blockchain networks. 1. Fast transaction confirmation. 2. Energy efficiency. 3. Low transaction costs. 4. Scalability. 5. Reliability. Please select your opinion in the community option. I pray today is wonderful for everyone. I am thrilled to inform you of some incredible developments in the Bitcoin sector. But before I go into that, I want to talk about some big news regarding XRP. I have a movie that will show you the price movements of this coin throughout its history, present, and future. If you share my enthusiasm for XRP, please show it by clicking the like button and dropping an X. That has deeply moved me. If you haven't already, I kindly request that you subscribe. We invite you to think about joining our wonderful community. Here we go, let's begin. It seems like only yesterday, doesn't it? Consider 2017 for a second, everyone. In its short 7 years of existence, XRP has already accomplished remarkable progress. Because a gain of 31,340,600% is, well, mind-blowing, I can't help but wonder why I passed up the opportunity to invest in XRP earlier. This increase wasn't just lip service. Though speculation certainly played a part, it wasn't just empty rhetoric, as I've already indicated. It proved that more and more individuals are beginning to understand blockchain's potential. In the present day, XRP transactions are at record highs, and institutions are flocking to Ripple. There are many who believe XRP can completely change the way money is transacted. However, additional clarification is required, and there are certain requirements that must be ironed out. There will soon be a conclusion to the protracted SEC case. We hope it will be done by springtime at the latest. However, speculation about a settlement has subsided in relation to XRP. On the other hand, XRP's worth will skyrocket once the rules are defined and issues are resolved. I should say promising assets, but institutions will be the first to invest in them. The Bitcoin industry is still in its early stages, after all. XRP is also well positioned for future success. First, I'd like to respond to the most recent news on John DT's Senate campaign. To get right down to brass tacks, Elizabeth Warren is challenging John Dayton for the Senate. Because of his staunch support for the Bitcoin business, his victory would be greatly felt by the community if he were to claim it. This will be especially the case if Dayton receives support from the Democratic Party. However, please be patient, as the head of the SEC's cryptocurrency division resigns following his role in propelling Coinbase legal action. Sue Landon Stewart, who formerly oversaw federal lawsuits against Ripple and Coinbase, may now be working as an advocate for the private sector, but she may make a successful comeback to the cryptocurrency industry. Their exit from the SEC, where they express their dislike for the BS, is thus taking place. Even though the SEC isn't the winning team anymore, we still want to win with them. All we have to do is wait. You can find more. The Crypto Freedom Alliance of Texas is spearheading a direct lawsuit against the SEC, backed by a former attorney general with expertise in the Supreme Court. This is a huge victory for the crypto business. Crypto assets classification as securities by the SEC is called into doubt in the case. Paul Clement's effort was a sight to behold, given his almost century-long experience arguing matters before the Supreme Court. This was a big deal today, you know. Ripple deserves praise for their strategic approach to creating compliant solutions, which is something I just wanted to mention. They aren't like other businesses that focus on temporary thrills before moving on. They are looking ahead. In addition, I'll provide a link to my previous video at the bottom of this page when I talked about our quest for the big prize. We are not looking for cookies, no. All cryptocurrencies, not just Ripple and XRP, should be optimistic about Ripple's future since we intend to eat all of its value. Get ready for an exhilarating ride, because XRP is about to round a corner. BlackRock is organizing a digital asset summit for institutional investors tomorrow. Now examine this, they have an exclusive digital asset offering in the works, an exchange-traded fund, ETF, focused on Bitcoin, and they expect it to debut in 2024. Institutions selling Bitcoin will mostly use the event as a sales conference. That is currently what the Bitcoin archive says. Read every word of Chad Stein's announcement about BlackRock's Institutional Digital Assets Summit. He continues to captivate us as we go deeper into the topic. Upon closer inspection, we can make out that JP Morgan is involved. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are being praised by BlackRock's CEO as a way to achieve quality. Furthermore, HSACO is visible. Do you see a pattern here? Institutional investors can now take advantage of Ripple's digital asset custody services, as the UK suggests bringing stable coins into the mainstream economy, and a Ripple partner, HSBC, promotes tokenized ownership of physical gold. The Zodiac Custody Exchange has expanded to Hong Kong, taking it global. Forgive me, but the World Bank is initiating digital bond issuance on the Standard Charter and Euroclear in order to invest $100 million in cryptocurrency enterprises. There's no way this doesn't say Ripple. And if you're still not certain it's happening, then get on your high horse and mock the BlackRock Digital Asset Summit. This gentleman, I would like to introduce to you. At the BlackRock Digital Asset Summit, Ripple CEO Mr. Brad Garlinghouse warned that tensions are rising to dangerous levels. We are becoming increasingly enthusiastic as we observe the pieces coming together. It has been shown to me, and I'm sure many of you have also, that January saw gold shipments jump to levels not seen in 6 years. It is certainly a blessing to be alive right now, you guys. I am quite enthusiastic about the cryptocurrency industry as a whole and about XRP specifically. We should both be proud of how hard we work to be well informed, keeping track of this digital revolution. If you could subscribe and give my channel a rating, it would be greatly appreciated. Arriving soon, goodbye.